Hey guys, Blake here from Cali Rays LED. Today we're going to show you a quick little new product mod that we put together for all you third generation Tacomas. That's 16 and up. Toyota, when they did the air conditioning drip for all the condensation that's created when you're running your air conditioning, the little hose drips directly onto your frame. And over time, what happens is it drips, and it creates a little corrosion on the top of your frame actually, which we'll show here shortly on camera. And so what we did is we created this little product where it's just a pre-cut piece of hose with a hose clamp, and we give you some zip ties, and you actually slide it over that pre-existing hose and route it down so that your drip will just go onto the ground rather than dripping directly on your frame. So it's a really cheap, easy mod that everyone should do to their Tacoma. You'll never know it's there once you do it. You'll never see it, but you have peace of mind that you're not getting any rust on your brand new truck. So once we slide our hose over the factory hose, one little trick too is maybe put a little soapy water to help slide it over, just because there's dirt on your factory one and it might be a little rough sliding in. But once you slide it over, you tighten down the hose clamp and you're gonna route the hose down and back behind here. We provide you with a few zip ties, but we're only gonna use one for this one to hold it in place, and it's gonna run right back down here and drop out right on the back side right here. That way, the water will drip directly onto the ground without ever coming into contact with any of your frame or any other metal on the vehicle. This is a super simple mod that'll take you 5 minutes to install. Head over to our website, caliraysled.com, and pick yours up today.